Faculty Fast Fac, adding a file resource to Moodle. A file resource can be used for almost any file type, including images, audio, video, and Microsoft Office files. The file size limit for Moodle is 64 megabytes. To add a file resource to your course in Moodle, log in to Moodle, and then click on the course to which you wish to add the file resource. Once on the main page of your course, turn on your editing. You can do this by clicking the gray Edit icon in the upper right corner, and from the drop-down menu that appears, click the Turn Editing On option. Once the editing is on, there are two ways that you can add a file resource. The quickest method is to drag and drop the file directly onto the main page while the editing is turned on. To do that, open a File Explorer on your computer, choose the file you wish to add, drag and drop the file, and release. You can then rename the file by clicking on the pencil, typing the name or adjusting the name, and clicking Enter. The second way to add a file resource is to click on the Add an Activity or Resource link in the week to which you wish to add the resource. In the box that appears, scroll down to reach the Resources section and select File. Click the Add button. Name the resource. A description is not required, but you can add one if you wish. Then scroll down to the Select Files section. Here you have the option to drag and drop again, but if you prefer not to drag and drop, you can click on the Add icon in the upper left of the section. Select the Upload a File on the left if you are not already there. Click the Choose File button and navigate to the file on your computer. Select the file and click Open. Then click the Upload the File button. Once you see the file here in your Select Files option, you can scroll down to the bottom of the page and save and return to course. One thing I'd like to note, if you do drag and drop an image file onto the main page of the course, Moodle will ask you if you want to add the media to the course page or create a file resource. If you add the media to the course page, the image will show. If you create a file resource, it will create a link as it did with the Word file when you dragged and dropped it. So if I say I want to add the media to the course page and click Upload, now you can see the image file here on the course page. If when you've dragged and dropped your file resource, it is not in the week in which you would like it to be, you can move file resources by using the plus sign with the arrows. Simply click and drag it to the new location. This works with all file resources as well as most activities and content in Moodle. Another advantage of dragging and dropping onto the main page is that you can select multiple files at once by holding down the Control key while you click on them, and then pull them over and all of the files will be added to Moodle. You can then use the plus sign to move them into the appropriate weeks.